Both of you can do together. Come. Okay. Sir, I need close angle.
Akash and my friends from media. It's a big day for us where we all have gathered in the second round. We met recently to celebrate our phase 1 JEE Mains result, and then we said that we will come with a big bang news when we will be celebrating finally the All India ranks of JEE Mains 2026, and we are here with the proud moment of the results which have been produced by our Akashians. And JEE Mains, as we all know, it's one of the toughest examination in India, where students participate for entry into the NITs, IITs, and other various prestigious engineering colleges. Recently, the JEE Mains results were announced, and once again, our Akashians have shown the remarkable presence in JEE Main finally, and 9 students from Akash Pan India have been under 100 AIR. So in 100 AIR, All India ranks 100, 9 Akashians are there. In 200 All India ranks 15, and in 500 All India rank for a big round of for the students. And Akash has produced this year the All India rank of 11, 27, 31, 43, 57, 68, 93 and 94. So which clearly testifies that how the pedagogy, delivery, commitment of Akash has been in the engineering wing across India. Now, when we come to the Karnataka, we know very well the students' aspirations here, and we also know that Akash year after year has been producing constantly the toppers in engineering entrance examinations in Karnataka, may it be the JEE Mains or may it be the KCET. Our students every time have stood up first and came out with flying colors. This year was also no different for us in Karnataka. With the hard work of our students and the teachers who have mentored them, Akash has produced All India rank 43 of Adarsh Kumar Behra from Karnataka. The student is from Bangalore, and not only this, he has secured Karnataka state rank 2 in JEE Mains examination. So JEE Main 2026, once again clearly our Akashians are leading the Karnataka in the result. Not only the Adarsh Kumar Behra with All India rank 43, we are having students on the All India rank 211, All India rank 276 and 785. 3 students from Karnataka are there below 500 All India ranks. 4 students are there below 1000 All India ranks from Karnataka alone. Our students in Karnataka once again have proved that the study material, the teachers, the doubts, the support system, what is being provided to them can give them sure shot success in JEE main examinations. Our students have started preparation for JEE advanced examination also. Now we are very much confident that we will again be meeting once for celebration of JEE advanced examination, and from here I really want to congratulate all our toppers of JEE.
ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್.
Big round of applause for our success in JEE. All the best for JEE advanced to all of you. Myself, Dheeraj Kumar Mishra, Chief Academic and Business Head, Akash Educational Services Limited, and I am very happy and proud to share with all of you that the JEE Mains 2026 results have been announced of Phase 1 and Phase 2 jointly, and our Akashians once again have made all of us feel proud with the flying colors in JEE Mains 2026. Akash has produced 9 students below All India 100 ranks. So a big round of applause for all our students who have been scoring All India rank 11, 27, 31, 43, 57, 68, 93 and 94. Not only this, Akashians have bagged 45 All India ranks below 500 at Pan India level. Now Akash is present everywhere across India from north to south, east to west, and our students from each corner have come out with flying colors in JEE Mains 2026. Karnataka, where we are operating with 20 centers across Bangalore and the rest part of Karnataka. Our students from Karnataka also have come up with the best ranks in JEE Mains 2026. Our student named Adarsh Kumar Behra has secured All India rank 43 and Karnataka state rank 2 in JEE Mains 2026. Akashians year after year have been bagging the best ranks in JEE, Main, Advanced and the KCET entrance examination, which shows the legacy and supremacy of brand Akash in engineering entrance examinations in Karnataka. Not only Adarsh Kumar Behra with All India rank 43, we are having 2 more students with the ranks below 500 All India, Pranil Singla with the rank 211 and Ayush S with the All India rank 276. Total 3 students are there. 4 students are there below 1000 All India rank from Karnataka alone. So our students have proven that the study material, the test, the classroom ambience and the teachers what Akash have been giving to these students are exceptional, and the commitment of our teachers to make sure that these students qualify in the entrance examinations has given us these results. My best wishes to all these students and the parents, and all the best to all future aspirants of the JEE and the KCET entrance examinations in Karnataka. They can come visit our branches, can see that in what all atmosphere these toppers were trained and how their dreams can also be fulfilled of becoming engineer in Karnataka with our branches. So thank you so much, and all the best to all our students for JEE advanced examination now. Thank you.